तो है Tennessee लाना किए बका तो है Tennessee football team stadium पे जहाँ Nissan stadium golf pa नहीं Kimkima का सती का किए बके Kimkima ता country museum
I'm your host for today. Yay, let's go.
तो मार्च दोंग किट है बका just ले दिया country loss पर मिंग थांग सलू आमिंग आता न बो museum लंका से ले दिया कुछ का खिले दिया कुछ जा ले दिया मौंग है ती the Tennessee downtown
Tennessee.
bridge तो न बोल फिर भी Nashville अखल कोई Kimkima say something bro in Mazau you have fun
Nur Kopf, mate. Having fun. Hey.
yeah
Ganz klar, ne?
what's that what is that
That's Tennessee Stadium.
Nissan
Tennessee
Stadium
Titans.
okay
Oh.
Welcome back to Ma.
Du lahir.
Du war hier?
Hier een oom. Een oom em.
No.
Een oom de kop.
Hey.
Tu yi lu
Een mooi kop mij.
Atuil tuk. Hello.
Nashville.
I'm tired, bro.
Yeah, we can take a rest. Nashville. Tennessee akulu pi Nashville jang tla hi. To ning ching jang ka zalang song. Asla khian nong ta ba jang. Da ti bos lu restaurant. Jaka in chung le ta bar le restaurant ti ba jang ka to cha. Ting nong ko hong lang ba ha. Wow. This is hustling going to. Okay, let's to hai country music hall of fame của lăng ca sĩ lại với các phim cha Tennessee cho nong đi Nashville cho ha downtown mình sang phố lăng thì chỉ chúng tôi sang phố nên cho restaurant là cho mình sang dự định là đồ của bố ha chúng tôi chơi cho lăng thì ta chẳng phải khi chẳng hiện có khác country music hall of fame của tao có năng cái ca sĩ lại à rooftop bar để mình chơi ở chỗ đấy cho dù đồ là nổi tiếng trong lòng thuê kia của thì last step cũng không khả năng được thiệt cho sao khi thì bao mình chỉnh long trong sáng mong đi thuê kia là cả trong sáng cái trong sao chết thì cái gì ở bên Tennessee Nashville just the country so sắp có mình thằng ở chỗ nó có Taylor Swift luôn lại những thì ha Johnny Cash luôn Elvis slow chung ra rồi là long trong what's that đây là phần gì Fun on my day. This is going to look we don't go like that. We go like that. Dang. Hey. Mà we ba don't. Hey, hey. Các sự một trong những cái country music hall of fame and museum đó là chỉ mình thằng ngon đúng không ạ? Này, người mình chết chú chơi cái gì? Là sau rằng anh đi có số nào để chú chơi? Look for Taylor Swift and Carrie Underwood.
Very collective.
Kid Urban. William ya chết thì ấy mà tại bắt thuộc cái rồi sau đó công mình số chết chết hay khăn chịu rồi số mình thằng bố bây giờ hi lại đây coi Michael Smith mà Michael Smith है
Let's go, Sati.
worship house bao giờ hi对hi对khi đặt chút chơi cả à bây giờ tụi mình hay chung lăng cái này thì phải vậy chung phải là ta Tennessee Nashville là một trong những nó thằng mà Elvis nó mình thằng đi bao trong Randy Travis Josh Tanner nó mình thằng Baby lock the door and door thôi số hết rồi Baby lock the door and turn the lights down low thôi số hết Rascal Flat bao nhiêu hả mình thằng bao nhiêu sao rồi bạn thôi về cho mà thôi phải lấy bao lâu rồi đó khi tôi bên đó mình thằng trang sao Alan Jackson
$6.50 out here, Walk of Fame, Johnny Cash.
Isn't it?
Tim McCool nong đi số chỉ cả chỉ thôi
Too crazy.
đôi khi chỉ bắt chúng đi xe phải là tạt chỉ anh mình là có là có chỉ có discipline chỉ khi house nó không được cái chỉ đồng tiền có lợi đó là mình chỉ phải là chỉ chung nhiều quá chỉ là mấy cái tôi đang cho chỉ bắt hít tôi sang rằng music tôi sang start tới cái
I'm tired.
nôm lắm tôi ha thật chỉ có mình thẳng Johnny Cash nhiều điểm lòng phiền cả nè bar này mà tôi có chắc nè thật chỉ có mình thẳng bắt ra mình Johnny Cash hotel hey right here Johnny Cash museum là trong bạn có các bạn tụi mình có in người ta restaurant để bắt đầu có sự quay một con được How you feel, bro? You like it here?
Hell yeah!
Say something. In the row.
I said hell yeah! Hell yeah!
Anh ôm liên tục. Right. Anh ôm khóc mày. Thế mình thấy cả hồ này gặp tiếng chịu lắm vậy. tôi thấy hotel này phải mà tôi có lắm chịu cả. Cả lắm thế. free resort and convention center.
A free restaurant mà.
A free resort. Resort. Đi xuống gặp lại các bạn. Mong sẽ thằng có đi chơi được không? Ai lên là có được hết. That's the bed. It's huge. Now we are about to ride the boat. Kim, what do you think? Kimchi, what do you think?
I love it.
You having fun? You like it here?
Thank you for bringing me here, brother.
Sure, you
Appreciate
welcome.
it. Nashville is like the best.
Sati from here. Delta Island của thằng này ha, tôi chừng ba bốc cái chiếc các nhà mà kia quỳ thế không biết gì. Rồi hai bốc lăng các tỉnh ra ba. How you feel, bro? Riêng tiền nó feel.
How good do you feel?
Same as old man.
I feel like I'm in paradise.
Anh nuông nó sao? Nuông.
Get a photo of y'all three.
Yes. No.
Delta River, which was built back in 1996 for the Gaylord Opryland Resort and Convention Center. This river is a quarter of a mile long. There's only 2 feet of water beneath us. That's why I didn't make y'all go through a life jacket drill or anything like that. But there is 450,000 gallons of water underneath us. But they had a unique way of having a grand opening back in '96. They partnered with Jack Daniels. Not any black olives in it. It's just a decorative tree that comes to us from Florida. But they call it a black olive because its leaves on it are very similar to the black olive tree leaves. You look straight down this way up high, you see the chandelier. That is the largest chandelier of our resort, 158 light bulbs.
Wow.
It's made of wrought iron, so it weighs 3,000 pounds. Now, as we make our turn to the right side of the boat, next to these steps, this is a newer addition to our tree. This is a angel trumpet tree right here. You might notice the blossoms on it look like golden trumpets hanging from above. So that's where it gets its name. We are entering into the convention center part of our resort. There are 80% of the folks that come to stay at Gaylord Opryland are here on some kind of convention. Very popular with having conventions here. By the time we make our way around these 2 fountains, you'll understand why. First, I want to share with you another story about when we got. They're all live living plants and trees. The only exception in this atrium, you look straight ahead, way up high, you see the window boxes by those windows up there. There's no way to take care of those. So there are 6,200 panes of glass in the atrium above our head.
Wow.
That is enough glass that if you laid them out side by side, it would cover 7 football acres. Each of the panes of glass are an inch thick, and they weigh up to 250 pounds. Now calculate that. That's a lot of tonnage of glass above our heads. If you saw those guys working up there, didn't you? They are always working to reinforce this. It can withstand winds up to 120 miles per hour. Golf ball size hail. But I have learned something since I have worked here at Opryland, that whenever it rains outside, water finds a way. And so if you're riding this riverboat ride and it's raining outside, you get what I call baptism. Fortunately, Opryland must be a Methodist because it's just a sprinkling. It's not one of those quick guns to the others. Over to the left is the high point of our central attraction of our Delta atrium. That fountain has there's 106,000 surrounding the one geyser in the middle. And when that geyser really wants to show off, it can go up 85 feet up in the air. It's taller than these palm trees that surround it. And every evening at 5, 6, 7, and they're just broke grounds on a new resort, Gaylord Resort in California, south of San Diego, in a place called Chula Vista. But it has award-winning recipes for steak. It opens up every evening at 5 o'clock. But they're all kind of venues of eating opportunities throughout this resort. You'll surely find something that you'll enjoy. So we make our way into the bridge. The tree on the right is a delightful tree. It's one of my favorite trees to watch every day. You notice the red blossoms? They look like powder puffs or pom-poms. Well, this is a pom-pom tree. And if you look closely, you'll see what looks like little red raspberries scattered about. Those are what I call pom-pom wannabes. And any day they will poof out to be another pom-pom. And you see this one right here by your head start, it's already starting to poof out. So every day when I come to work, the tree changes. It's a delightful tree. We are entering the waterfall section of our boat ride. There are 3 waterfalls here, but the tallest waterfall in our resort is found in the Cascade Atrium. That one is 44 feet tall. You can actually go behind it and look through the water into the atrium. The waterfalls are not only beautiful to look at, they perform an important task for our atrium. Every 3.5 hours, the 450,000 gallons of water we have in the river are recirculated through here to put oxygen back to the water, which makes our fish happy and healthy. You see the banana trees way right to the right of me back here in the back part of the boat. You see this bunch of bananas here on the short banana tree. And then ahead of us, way up high tonight, you know. When we get back out, I'll help you. Now this is, I think, one of the most fascinating trees that we have in the atrium. It's a banyan tree from India. My script says I'm supposed to tell you that legend has it that if you make a wish under a banyan tree, it'll come true. That may be so, and you're welcome to make a wish. But I had a family from India in my boat last year before Christmas. Tree there called the Great Banyan, and it covers nearly 5 acres, and it's still growing. Absolutely amazing. I introduced you to our smaller tree earlier in our journey. Here's our tallest, largest tree way up high. That is a mahogany tree. And then if you look at that mahogany tree and let your eyes begin to drift down past these plants, past the ferns, down the rock wall, right before you get to the water, you see our friend Stoney the alligator? How many of y'all see the alligator? You're looking at your phone. You're not seeing it now. By the water. You go back at the phone. I'm trying. Never mind. Don't worry about that alligator. He's not going to bother you. He's been stoned so long, he ain't moving anyway. You notice that Gaylord operating, you have to take a lot of steps up and down and all around. Remember this red brick building? Inside of it is the D6 elevator. You can get on that elevator to go to any level in this atrium. Go to the first level, hang a right, go inside the Cascade. No way in the world I could ever have pulled that president this week. But I like to pull it off here if I get one of these balcony rooms here in the Delta Atrium because it's so beautiful in here. You sit up to have your morning coffee, watch the people go by, and enjoy the temperature. Here's the reason why. These black rectangles in between the balconies, behind that mesh is our air filtration system that does 2 things. It makes sure the air within our atrium are clean and healthy for us to breathe. And also it takes to make sure the air into the temperature in here is a comfortable 68 to 72 degrees, no matter how hot it is outside or how cold it is. Not only do we humans like that, our plants and our trees love that. And these trees here to the left of us, these are...
That's a Victoria Garden. Cái thả lại tôi biết sẽ tay chứ. Đây là restaurant. Oh. Sini sama polisi kau ke, banyak polisi. Saya tanggung lagi bang. Aha. Kata chicken hiking itu kan makin bisa. Saya cung dulu alvele kan apa? Apa sini? Sampai ga. Saya hendak campur terus ni. Kalau sini kan balai tu. Ini betul apa kalau kita ini betul. Ya, satu macam ni. Saya tunggu tu dia nak campur sang yang lain, tahu celong mangkak.จ่ายกันแล้วครับอะไรนะโคตรที่อะไรตัวที่เราที่ Yeah, just go there. We'll figure it out. Kaya ito tipo chong tadi ko sa karay tadi sa kun. What? What are you gonna do? Oh, thanks. Lu dah mungkin itu pakai jalan tak? Main kupa atau apa?
Nauban. Nauban. Okay.
I think it's right here. Kada nak kamu kalau serok saja. Tapi hotel lah, kita nak tempat. Saya langsung dah berjalan berjaya, bang. Live no sanggup. Supper at Tennessee. What? How is it? 2 a.m. 2 mo? 2 a.m. Atobak. Pasar. Kahin hai. Sir nule family. Brother in total ni ramdang hai. Ni nong mai. Sati dong kha. Steak ngan ngai ve. Lên à. Aha, khai tu à. Thô bắc. Atui lutuk.